Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking your vertical footage and deciding the core hook. This matters because retention hinges on the first 3 seconds. Once done, import clips into a single project and sort by energy and relevance so you don't hunt later. Make an initial rough cut, trim to 15-60 seconds, remove dead space, and place your chosen hook at the start. This first pass sets the pacing and tells you which takes are keepers versus dailies to discard. Now refine. You tighten timing with jump cuts and 3 5-second shots to keep momentum because shorter beats increase watch-through. Make selective speed ramps and subtle zooms to emphasize action. Avoid overusing effects so the message stays clear. Color grade for consistent skin tones and backgrounds, then normalize audio and apply light compression so dialogue sits above music. Once balanced, place captions and graphics where they reinforce, not obstruct. Finish by exporting using an H.264 vertical preset with a high bitrate to preserve sharpness. This prevents compression artifacts once uploaded. Then prepare metadata, concise title, 1 or 2 keywords, and pick a clear thumbnail frame or image that matches the hook. Upload privately first to verify playback, captions, and audio sync. If you see framing issues or audio drift, re-export at a slightly higher bitrate or re-render the timeline with fixed keyframes. This usually resolves the common upload problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.